Hey everybody, it's your boy Steve here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, if you're brand new here, welcome. My name's Steve Atkinson. I'm a full-time fine artist, and before that I was an illustrator. And my channel is all about doing tutorials or demos. And today, since it's Inktober, I'm going to do an ink drawing for you of one of my very favorite subjects, and that's horse. Now you already know what it looks like because you saw the thumbnail, but I have no idea because I haven't made it yet. But I have my Tough Enough to Wear pink rodeo shirt on here, and I've got my ink, and of course I want you to draw along with me, so I'm going to put a link to the original photo that I'm using as reference in the description area, so you can click that link and draw to your heart's content. But if you have any questions, something that I may have missed or glossed over, put them in the comment section. I always do my best to answer questions and comments as much as I can. So yeah, let's go on and get into this. Every drawing starts with a paper. This is my Bee & Fang 70-pound drawing paper. It's some very nice paper. This is my Cold Erase Prismacolor pencil, which is light blue and erasable, which is why I like to use it. And this is my Zebra disposable brush pen. It's the fine one, and it is a flexible nib. I'm going to try something a little bit different on this one. I'm just going to put up information as I go along, but I'm not really going to be talking much. I'll let the drawing do the talking for me. So like I said, if you have any questions, put them in the comments section, and I'm happy to answer them for you. And here we go. So let's do a little bit of recap. If you're more comfortable, you can start with a light drawing, but skip it if you're more advanced. Start your inking in a less important area to give your hand time to warm up. A really good idea is to take 5 to 10 minutes making marks on a scrap of paper to practice the kinds of marks that you're going to be making on the finished drawing. Draw in an area and then move to the area that's next to it. Don't jump all over the page and expect good results. Start with simple shapes at first, then break the simple shapes into smaller shapes. Also, you should save your details. Don't jump right into them. You should be constantly looking at your reference and comparing it using your eyes to what you're drawing. Are the distances between the objects the same in both? And how about the angles? Take measurements if you must, but your goal is to train your brain and your eyes to do this for you. And the best tip that I can give you is take what people tell you with a grain of salt, and that includes moi. Have fun, pick up your pen and paper and go at it. Remember, making art's a gift that we give ourselves, and it's something that no one can take from you. Well, it's time to turn the lights off and close up the studio. Remember to like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you down the road.